Hello again, fellow RC enthusiasts. It's your host Tom Cogswell here for another iX20 instructional video. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the camera on the iX20. So the iX20 has a little camera right on the back of the radio, and we'll go right there. There's a camera. It's a 2-megapixel camera, great for taking pictures of your models and or sharing things quickly from, let's say you want to post something on Instagram from your iX20. Sure, you can do that. So let's go ahead and see how to use the camera function on your iX20. Boot it up at a safe or at a sleep mode here, and we can simply hold. This is a new function with the iX20 actually, and this is going to be on the iX12s as well, but you can simply go tap and hold the image, and you can choose one of the images that we have preloaded, or you can easily just hit take a picture. It'll boot up the camera and we can take a picture. So let's go ahead and take a picture of this iX20 here. Click. All right, and then once we're done there, so we've got our picture taken of our other iX20 sitting on the table here. You have a couple of options. You can either redo it or cancel, or you can hit the check mark. Pretty self-explanatory there. And now that image is our model image. Another thing that you could do to change model images is, let's say we go to a model image or a model selection that we have. Let's choose one that's blank for now. And you tap on the image. Does exactly the same thing that we just showed you a moment ago. And just to kind of give you guys a little rundown on the camera, it's a lot like your smartphone camera. It's got a focal point. So if you tap the screen somewhere, it's going to focus on that area. You can also play around with a couple of other things like a timer. They turn the grid on and off. It doesn't have a flash, so it just is always whatever. And that's it. That's pretty self-explanatory. And the camera function is also right here. And if you wanted to use Instagram or something like that, you could load it up and set up Instagram. Really cool stuff with the iX20, and the camera function allows you to easily take pictures of your models while you're setting them up or while they're at the field, and makes it look really good for you. So I really love the camera function. I use it. It's a lot of fun for just kind of messing around with people, and easy to use for setting up different models, images on your model select screen. So that is it for the iX20's camera function video. If you guys have any other ideas or comments or questions on the iX20 or really anything Spektrum, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to try to get back to them. This is Tom signing out. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you do like and subscribe, you will be up to date with more iX20 videos that we will come out with. Thanks again, and happy flying.